First, open the app and tap on the Sign Up/Login. Again, click on Sign Up. Next, enter the email address you'd like to use for your account. Make sure it's an active email, as you'll need it for verification. Once your email is in, check the boxes to agree to the privacy policy and terms of use, then hit Next. Cofinex will send a 6-digit OTP to your email. Check your inbox, enter the code here, and wait for it to verify. Now, create a strong password. It must be at least 8 characters long. If you have a referral code, you can enter it now to claim extra benefits. Tap Create Account when you're ready. To finalize everything, simply log in with your new credentials. Enter your email and password, then provide one last OTP for security.
Important notes. Always verify the selected network before making a transfer. Sending funds to an incorrect network may result in permanent loss. Deposits require blockchain confirmations before reflecting in your account. Security reminder. Cofinex will never ask for your password, OTP, or private keys. Always use official Cofinex platforms only. Need assistance? If you face any issues, please contact Cofinex customer support or visit the Help Center for more tutorials.